Welcome to Sam Tech. In today's video, we're delving into how cutting-edge machines and technologies are transforming various industries, driving innovation, and enhancing productivity. Whether it's through automation, advanced robotics, or smart systems, these technological marvels are not just tools but partners in our quest for progress. Let's dive into how these machines are reshaping our work environment and accelerating growth. In the healthcare industry, robots are making significant strides in patient care. Surgical robots assist doctors with precision during operations, reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. Additionally, robotic exoskeletons help patients with mobility impairments regain movement. These advancements enhance the capabilities of medical professionals and improve the quality of patient care. Automation is revolutionizing agriculture with machinery that optimizes farming practices. Automated harvesters and drones equipped with sensors help monitor crop health, apply fertilizers, and manage irrigation with high precision. This technology reduces manual labor and increases crop yields, leading to more efficient and sustainable farming. 3D printing technology is changing the landscape of manufacturing by allowing for the customization of products and components. This technology enables rapid prototyping and small batch production, reducing waste and lowering costs. Manufacturers can now create complex parts with high precision, leading to innovation and flexibility in product design. Artificial intelligence is transforming financial analysis by providing deep insights into market trends and investment opportunities. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and predict financial outcomes, helping investors make informed decisions. This technology streamlines financial processes and enhances strategic planning. Smart warehousing solutions are enhancing logistics efficiency through the use of automated systems and AI. Robots and automated guided vehicles (AGVs) manage inventory, handle materials, and streamline order fulfillment processes. These innovations reduce human error, accelerate operations, and enable companies to scale their logistics capabilities. Construction is becoming smarter with advanced equipment such as drones for site surveys and automated machinery for excavation and building. These tools increase precision and safety on construction sites, accelerate project timelines, and reduce costs. The integration of technology in construction is paving the way for more innovative and sustainable building practices. Telemedicine technology is expanding healthcare access by allowing patients to consult with medical professionals remotely. Video conferencing tools and remote monitoring devices enable healthcare providers to diagnose and treat patients from a distance, improving access to care and reducing the need for physical visits. Smart grids and renewable energy technologies are transforming the energy sector by optimizing energy distribution and consumption. Advanced sensors and AI algorithms manage energy flows, integrate renewable resources, and enhance grid stability. This technology contributes to more sustainable energy practices and reduces environmental impact. Virtual reality (VR) is revolutionizing training and education by providing immersive learning experiences. VR simulations allow users to practice skills in a virtual environment, from medical procedures to complex machinery operations. This technology enhances learning retention and prepares individuals for real-world scenarios. AI-driven tools are enhancing customer experience by personalizing interactions and improving service quality. Chatbots, recommendation engines, and predictive analytics help businesses understand customer preferences and deliver tailored experiences. This technology boosts customer satisfaction and fosters brand loyalty. Machine vision systems are improving quality control by inspecting products with high accuracy. These systems detect defects, measure product dimensions, and ensure that items meet quality standards. By integrating machine vision into production lines, companies can maintain high product quality and reduce waste. Green technology focuses on sustainable innovations that promote environmental stewardship. Machines and systems designed for energy efficiency, waste reduction, and resource conservation contribute to sustainable growth. Businesses adopting green technology can enhance their environmental credentials and achieve long-term success. Blockchain technology is enhancing supply chain management by providing secure and transparent transaction records. This technology ensures the integrity of data, reduces fraud, and improves traceability in supply chains. By integrating blockchain, businesses can enhance trust and efficiency in their supply chain operations. AI is transforming marketing by enabling targeted campaigns and advanced analytics. Machine learning algorithms analyze consumer data to create personalized marketing strategies and predict customer behavior. This technology enhances campaign effectiveness and provides valuable insights for marketing decisions. Automation in retail is streamlining operations and enhancing customer experience with technologies like self-checkout kiosks and automated inventory management. These systems reduce wait times, improve accuracy, and allow staff to focus on more personalized customer service. Smart home technology is making daily life more convenient and efficient with devices that automate tasks and provide remote control. Smart thermostats, lighting systems, and security cameras enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and safety in homes. This technology makes managing household functions easier and more integrated. Advanced robotics are accelerating scientific research by performing complex experiments and analyzing data with precision. Robots in research labs handle repetitive tasks, conduct experiments, and collect data, allowing scientists to focus on analysis and innovation. This technology speeds up research processes and drives scientific advancements. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring how these innovative machines and technologies are revolutionizing various industries and boosting growth. Don't forget to subscribe to Sam Tech for more exciting content on the latest advancements in technology. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.